Hello, everyone. This is Christine Wade. I am so excited to share with you our new website. Here it is. If you go to paulatakisfoundation.org, it will take you to our brand new landing site, and you'll see right out of the gates one of our slides, Fueling Research to Transform Lives. You can click to see our research impact. You can go ahead and register and learn more about exciting upcoming events that we have. And one of the biggest expansions has been direct support programs for survivors, for patients, for caregivers, and you can explore those programs here as well. If we scroll further down on the landing page, you can learn about sarcoma. We'll also look at these pages specifically in a moment. You can learn about what we do, from funding sarcoma research, our direct support services, how we amplify sarcoma cancer awareness. You can download our brochure. You can see our impact in real time and learn more about that specifically here as well. We also have our Faces of Sarcoma page. You can read the inspiring stories of our community, and we encourage you to take time to do that. You can learn about our upcoming events in 2026. Each one of these you can click on to register, to receive the details. You can also click if your company would like to sponsor one or all of these events through our annual sponsorship opportunity. We also invite you to donate your time, your talent, your treasure to follow us on our social media channels as well. When we click on our About Us page, you can learn more about our mission, our vision, watch our organizational video, learn more about our founder, Paula Takis, which is an incredible story. Our beneficiaries in 2025 have been Levine Cancer Institute and Levine Children's Hospital. We have new this year a competitive grant process. So for 2026, we'll see additional beneficiaries of other hospital systems throughout North Carolina. You can view our 990s, our impact reports, also the bios of our staff, of our board members, and also of those who are our advisors and have special appointments with us as well. You can read our latest news, press releases, and more, view our top supporters, and stay connected with us through our monthly newsletter called the PTF Pulse. If you would like to read the latest issue, if you haven't yet subscribed, you can do so here or view any of our archived newsletters as well. If you would like to click on our events page, it goes through what is planned for 2026, our signature events and the champion celebration, Sarcoma Stomp, Light the Night, and this year, a new partnership with Duke Cancer Institute at their Strikeout Sarcoma 5K in Cary, North Carolina. Drill down specifically here as well. Again, sponsorship level opportunities that you can explore. Our programs is the biggest change. We are now offering so much in terms of resources, in terms of support for those in treatment, for survivors, for caregivers. If we take a look at our programs page, you can learn about sarcoma, learn about our new research grant program, our new endowed chair, our financial assistance program, a brand new program that's launching in January that's fully funded by one of Paula Takis's close friends called Support from Day One. We are also offering peer-to-peer support. So if you're in treatment, or if you're a caregiver or a previvor and you would like a mentor to speak to, someone who has lived experience, we can connect you there as well. We also invite you, of course, to engage with our community through events and through our Growing Hope through Art program. Some of our beautiful blossoms of our inaugural Seasons of Life installation are still available for purchase. You can learn about that and how you can offer that as a beautiful tribute. So looking specifically at each of these pages, our financial assistance program is here. We offer individuals who are currently in active sarcoma treatment within 300% of the federal poverty line grants for mortgage, utility grants, groceries, or transportation costs. How you would apply is click on our participating hospitals and you see a list here. You would ask your social worker, if you are receiving treatment in one of these hospitals, to submit an application on your behalf to receive a grant. It goes through who is eligible. It also goes through a lot of other financial resources through our partner Family Reach. They have a phenomenal navigation tool that is right here. You can click, put in your zip code, and then select Get Help. Let's just say if you are in zip code 28277 here in Charlotte, there's more than 3,000 programs offering assistance that you can navigate through for food, housing, utilities, transportation. Let's just say if you're looking for help for food, you click on it and it gives you all of the organizations that you can then drill down to for more information. So lots of assistance with that. If we're looking at our support from day one program site, if you're receiving treatment at one of these hospital systems, you can ask for a comfort kit, and you'll be provided items like this. You can also download our guide, which is pretty expansive. It talks about sarcoma, treatment, side effects. It's been medically vetted, lots of other resources there as well. If you are done with your treatment and you're looking for emotional support on navigating your new normal, we have partnered with an organization called the After Cancer. It's a virtual program that offers workshops and resources on strategies for nutrition, mindfulness, long-term well-being, community connections, even emotional support, offering tools on how to manage anxiety, grief, the effects of cancer. If you would like a referral to this program, we will cover the first year of this virtual support for up to 100 patients. And we talked about peer counseling. If you're looking for a mentor, you can apply right here through our peer-to-peer page. You can request a mentor as a survivor or a current patient or as a caregiver. If you would like to volunteer your time and become a mentor to somebody new in their diagnosis, we encourage you to do that as well. We also offer a lot of other resources through right here, our resource page, or you can click here as well. And this has become much more robust with this new website. You can explore where are there specialized sarcoma treatment centers. We list the national centers of excellence. We also list the regional centers of excellence where you can click specifically to be taken to the hospital's page. If you would like to see where other treatment centers exist in other states, we connect you through the Sarcoma Alliance to this page as well, that you can click on any one of these states to see what exists elsewhere. So lots and lots of support. When we're looking at specifically our resource page, not only in treatment centers, but you can click to explore what clinical trials may exist for your specific diagnosis. You can also explore patient services. There is a lot on this page. It's a lot more robust than it has been in the past. If you want to find what organizations will help with even wig and appearance support, it's listed. Lodging assistance, cancer, childhood cancer support. If you're even looking for work and legal advocacy after your diagnosis, you can find organizations that can help you. So lots of information for you to navigate for sure. If we're looking at our sarcoma research grants page, it discusses how we drive progress. Of course, through investing in innovation, we have a new competitive grant process that I alluded to before. We'll take a look at that. Also, we've invested in initiatives like our $2 million endowed share at Levine Cancer Institute. You can read about those highlights by exploring our funding, exploring the endowed share of sarcoma research, talks about our annual grant program and our new scientific advisory committee that we have established that will review all requests of sarcoma research for us to fund so they can help us really direct donor dollars in the most impactful ways. It goes through the process specifically. If you wanted to learn more about our endowed chair of sarcoma research, it is here as well. Dr. Joshua Pat is our inaugural endowed chair. And it talks about, if you read the press release, how he's attracting top talent, how he's driving innovation, how this fund will exist in perpetuity. It's really exciting. We're looking at our Growing Hope Through Our page. If you would like to learn more, there's a whole separate website that you can access. You can read stories and reflections that have been tied to each one of these beautiful blossoms within our first installation, Seasons of Life. You can learn about the program through our introductory video. We're also still accepting donations and tributes. Some of these blossoms still exist for that purpose. And if we're looking at what is sarcoma, it takes you to more educational tools. You can download our poster. You can access the latest NCCN guidelines on soft tissue sarcoma, on bone cancer. Again, finding a trial, finding additional resources as well. When we look to our communities page, you can access family stories here. Our sponsors, how to access those corporate sponsor opportunities of events, our foundation team, meet through a video some of the medical professionals. We also invite you to share your story for others to gain inspiration from as well. Our impact page gives you, again, numbers in real time. You can look at our trials and studies that are currently being funded, that have been funded, and you can learn more about the specifics of each one of those. When we're looking at ways to give, if you're interested in donating or joining our monthly giving program or becoming a legacy partner program or joining that. To become a legacy partner, you would donate or generate contributions through, let's just say, your Sarcoma Stomp team of $2,500 or more. You can see what are the exclusive benefits offered to partners and how to join. We've talked a bit about corporate sponsorships. Well, there's a whole page for it. You can become a year-round partner and gain recognition throughout all of our cornerstone events throughout the year. Or if you want to sponsor just one of our signature events, or become a community partner and set up a give back night through your store or your restaurant where some of the proceeds go to us. There's lots of information in our sponsorship packet that you can view or download. So lots of information here as well. And of course, we always invite you to get involved through donating your time. Our current needs are listed here. You can volunteer for a specific upcoming event. Anybody really age 16 and up, we can give service hour credit. So if you want to access that information, you can as well. And at the very top, there are quick links to the resource page, to our community stories, to get in touch with us, to learn about sarcoma research. So as you can see, there is a website available for you that is chock full of hopefully great information, great resources, and ways for you to get involved. And we hope that you love it as much as we do. Thank you so much for learning more about us. Take care.